Hey there, I'm Dan Brisebois, and welcome to the Farmer Spreadsheet Academy!
What is a CSV file? A CSV file is a comma-separated values file. CSV. CSV files look a lot like spreadsheets, but there are some key differences. Let's go through those differences. A spreadsheet has all kinds of operations in the sheet, basically formulas connecting things together. CSV files have no operations. Spreadsheets can have formatted cells. They can be formatted with color, size. You could have the dollar sign for currency, all kinds of ways to format them. CSV files have no formatting. On a spreadsheet, you can have multiple tabs. CSV files only have one tab. As you can see, spreadsheets are really exciting. And in comparison, CSV files seem kind of boring. So why bother? The thing about CSV files is that simplicity is easily shared between different applications. CSV files are a common language for spreadsheets, to speak with text editors, or bookkeeping applications, or e-commerce platforms, or even other kinds of applications. So with a CSV file, you can bring data from one application into another application and keep it coherent. Let's go make some CSV files. If you want to follow along at home with this spreadsheet, you can go to www.farmerspreadsheetacademy.com/FSA022. So this spreadsheet example comes from Farmer Spreadsheet tip number 6. Every row tells a story. We have a sheet that has a row for every time that we've packed up a different seed lot into seed packs over the season. Here are the number of packs that we had packed. This is the number of weight that was used. And this sheet summarizes what happened in the seed packing log. Everything in blue is generated by my favorite spreadsheet formula, unique. If you want to find out more about unique, you can go to spreadsheet tip number 18. And then everything in red is generated by SUMIFs. We look at the SUMIFs formula in the classic spreadsheet tip number 4. So all of this sheet is generated by referencing information on the seed pack. We can create a CSV file from this sheet by going to File in the menu and then choosing Download, and then in the drop-down going to comma-separated values. Click on it and then download it as a CSV file onto our hard drive. I've opened the CSV file with OpenOffice. You could do this with another spreadsheet application such as Excel. And you can see that I've lost all the color. When I click on the different sections, there are no formulas, just the numbers. Here we have an unformatted spreadsheet with no formulas. This is what a CSV delivers. Here, I've opened that same CSV file with a text editor. It doesn't quite look like the last sheet. It looks a little bit funny, but let's compare it to the original data. If we look into this row here, we can see all the different cells: code, lot, name, total, packs, start weight, weight. They're all the same cells that we see here, but each set of information that would be within a cell is separated by a comma. And there you got it, comma-separated variables. So by exporting the information from a spreadsheet into a CSV file, we get something that is easy to understand for other applications that you might be working with. That is the value of a CSV file.
And that was CSV files. If you want to get weekly Farmer Spreadsheet tips, then subscribe to this channel. See you next week.